Hey, if you are thinking about creating a new YouTube channel, that is a great idea because you're going to share your life experience, your lifestyle with the people all over the world. And not only that, also you're going to make money with the video that you are uploading on your channel. Yes, 100%. When you reach these two goals, 1000 subscriber, 4000 watch hour. Don't just jump creating a YouTube channel if you don't have idea about what you are going to do with that channel. That's why people is stuck on YouTube. Okay, thinking about creating a new YouTube channel, first I want you to sit down with yourself. What are you going to do on that channel? Yes, for example, if you do music, that's cool. For example, if you're a comedian, that's cool. If you do makeup, that's cool. If you're a good dancer, that's cool. If you love telling a story, that's great. Then establish that. After that, I want you to do this. I want you to come up with a beautiful channel name and easy and short. You know what I'm saying? Your channel name must not be longer than 10 letters. Yup, that's not short. That's not cute. Your channel must be short and easy. Okay, after you came up with your channel name, I want you to do those things. It's very important. Don't play with that. It's very important. These three things is very important. I want you to add your logo, add your banner, your channel banner, add your handle name, then add your channel description. For example, what is your channel about? For example, scheduling. Schedule, for example, if you upload video every week or every Sunday, then add a schedule on your channel. It's very important. And the next one is very important, guys. It's very important. Don't play with this. And it's very important. I want you to fix it as possible as you can. I want you to go on your desktop or on your computer and fix this. For example, if you don't have a computer, that's cool. You're just a new creator. It's okay. We're all family of creator. I can help you with that. I want you to on your mobile phone. I want you to go to on your browser and go to YouTube. I mean, go to studio.youtube.com. Then I want you to go and click setting. Then click setting. Go to basic setting and add your location, your channel keyword. For example, if your channel is about cooking channel, add any keyword related with the cooking. If your channel is about comedy, add keyword related about comedy. You know what I'm saying? It's very important. So it will help your video when people are searching for stuff. Next, click start button. If your channel have nothing to do with the kids, then make it not for kids. And this is the next one. It's very important also. I want you to link your channel with the Google Ads. Google Ads, it will allow YouTube will play hits on your video, so that it will also help your video to recommend on YouTube and engage more viewers, and also you gonna engage subscriber. Linking your channel with Google Ads, it means you're partnering with the YouTube and your video is going to recommend as well. Next one is the fusion setting. This is very important also, guys. I want you to enable these three features. It's very important. Standard setting, intermediate setting, I mean a standard feature, intermediate feature, and advanced feature. It's very important. It will help you to customize your thumbnail and go live on YouTube and upload video more than 15 minutes. It's very important. Enable that. Make sure you enable all these three features. It's very important. The final one, go to upload default and add your video language, add your title language, and your channel category. For example, if your channel is about how to, then add how to. If your channel is about music, At music if your channel is about comedy. At comedy if your channel is about travel and event, then had that. And this is the final, guys. I hope you benefit from this video, and I hope you're gonna start creating your YouTube channel. Bye, see you on the next video.